Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use Asana template on app. So here I'm using the Asana app right here, as you can see right now. To go this to use a template here at Asana app, all you need to do is you can have the what they call this the premium version, but I'll show you how to get the Asana. Let's say you're gonna start a new project right here. Once you start a new project, you can create here are the other Asana, as you can see right there template. So let's just say you want this template right here. Then press on use template. Then as you can see right now, contact location by Iwayne, my company, then next, then blah 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 blah, then create project. Right there. Then as you can see, it is now on its template. Let's see, as you can see right there, there you go. Now you are using its template. There you go, as you can see right there. So yeah, this is the template of the Asana. And not only that, you can use much more template right here. If you want to choose a specific kind of template, you can search right there, IT, product design, something, or maybe marketing, operation, PMO right here. Let's say we're gonna do marketing. Let's do content calendar. Use template right here. The next, create project right here. As you can see right now, content calendar. There you go. And if you want, you can, as you can see right there. And if you want, you can just rename it content calendar like that, something like that. You can change the color of it. There you go, as you can see. You can There you go. You can change as much as you want right here. Design it after you redesign it after you get the what do you call this after you get your after you get the calendar. You can redesign it on the specific needs that you want here at the Sana and specific stuff you want here at the Sana. As you can see right now, there you go. There you go. It's all fixed and uh, all in track. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comments below, guys. And we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible here at Guide Clips. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.